This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold US dollar currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current trend of the market and the support and resistance of the present price action. Please use these support and resistance levels for deciding on your trade entry and exits. Let us look at the event calendar for today. Today is Wednesday, May 11th. When we look at the events plan for today, we have low impacting news on Australian dollar, Chinese yuan, JPY, euro, and at 1:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news coming up on euro related currency pairs. At 6 p.m. we have high impacting news coming up on US dollar currency pairs. It is a very important news, so we can expect very high volatility in USD currency pairs. Following that, we have only low impacting news coming up. So plan your trade entry and exit based on this economic calendar schedule. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, as usual it is trading above the trend line or support line, which means that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. Previously we had noticed price action touching this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side, and currently when we notice the price action, it is nearing to this trend line or support line. And whether it is going to bounce back or it is going to breach this trend line, it really depends on the today's news outcome. Only hope we have for the bullish trend reversal is this trend line and the horizontal support levels. And as mentioned earlier also, current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, trading within this bearish channel pattern, and it has momentarily breached this support line of the bearish channel pattern. But in the past also we have noticed price action bridging this support line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So let us wait and see what will be the price action for today. And if the price action bridges this support level, next level of support is going to be around, let us use the Fibonacci's extension tool to find it out. Currently the price action has breached this 78.60 level, which is around 1850, and it is clearly in a very strong bearish trend. And next level of support is going to be around 1812. These are all only the ranges, it is not the exact numbers. So we can expect the price action to take support when it reaches around this support zone. And when we look at this level in the past price action, it had acted as a very strong resistance level. So I am expecting the current price action to take support at this level of 1812 and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a very strong bearish trend. It has also broken the previous support level of 1851, and it is clearly showing a bearish trend. But when we look at the price action more closely, it is more moving on a sideways rather than falling in a straight line. So in hourly time frame, we are noticing little bit of consolidation or a sideways market. Maybe it could be waiting for the news outcome. Once the news is out, we can expect a directional momentum in gold. But for now, it is taking support around the support level of 1832 and also the trend line from the daily time frame. Once this trend line is broken, Next level of support is going to be around 1812. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still trading within this bearish channel pattern, and if the price action bounces back from this support level, we can expect it to retest on this midline of the bearish channel pattern. As long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also, I'm drawing one more trend line or resistance line. We can notice that the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bearish trend. Whenever it tests this resistance line, we are noticing the price action to trend back on the bearish side. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1832, and we have the higher time frame support line also running over here. And if the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be around 1812. So only when the price action breaks this resistance line in 30 minutes time frame, we can expect a bullish trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1871. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I'm drawing one more resistance line for 5 minutes time frame. Previously in 5 minutes time frame, we had noticed a little bit of consolidation. Then it started moving on a bearish trend. Again we are noticing a consolidation happening over here. But still it has not come up to this resistance line for retesting. It is continuously on a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between this higher time frame support level of 1832 and 5 minutes time frame resistance line. Wait for it to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side to take a directional trades. I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this to understand the current trend of the price action, and always trade along with the trend. Do not force your thoughts and do not trade against the trend. You'll end up losing more than you can afford. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.